statement, Your Excellency, that was spoken by the former Prime Minister. He said, we must not fear. Mukami was not a coward. Not many women went to the forest. She stood out. And he said, we speak truth to the power. The Right Honorable Odinga is a powerhouse also. So we must also speak truth to Raila Odinga as a powerhouse. Your Excellency, the Prime Minister, the process of elections is known by all of us. You participated in the process. You went to the Supreme Court. The results were declared. The end has come. Mimi naangalia naona hii, Your Excellency, we cannot do politics because I'm a minister in the government and I'm also supposed to serve the former Prime Minister in the entire country where he has supporters and even in his own home in Bondo. We must speak truth to you and say, allow this government to do its part. You have served in the government. You have served as a Prime Minister. This is the time. Hii ni wakati wa Mheshimiwa Deputy President William Ruto. You could start, the President, the wakati wa President William Ruto na our Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Na wewe ni mungwana, hapo mbele tumekuserve, umekuwa kwa hiyo serikali ambaye ilitufukuza. Now this is now another government. Asante sana. I just wanted to speak the truth to the power. Na ni Mheshimiwa Raila is Nyawana. Mheshimiwa Raila is Nyawana. Maybe he doesn't know, have not had the opportunity to tell him. My daughter is married in Bondo. Sitaki niende Bondo nisemekane serikali hakuna. When I go to Bondo, I would want to be a free agent, like the way Raila Odinga amekuja hapa as a free agent. Wacha tuache maneno ya maandamano. Economy needs to rise. His Excellency is working very hard kurudisha uchumi kwa raini. Ukweli ni kwamba uchumi iliharibika kukiwa na wengine wale tuliwacha kwa serikali ambaye ilitufukuza na ikafukuza William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya now. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.